Hey guys, we received this CraftyCrocodile set of two painting kits for adults and couples. So test and try. Sip and paint kit for the date night and the crafts. Acrylic painting kit with canvas boards and easels. So this comes in a pack of two. So the set includes two pieces 8 by 10 inches of the canvas panel, two pieces easels, two pack of 5 paint brushes, two pieces of paint trays, and 10 acrylic paints. That has the two packs of 10 acrylic paints, and also the e-books that have this portrait uh, drawing guide and other things. So here you can see quality wise this is really good, and the two packs are nice as well. So you can see the quality here. So the paints, there are 10 packs of each, so the two of 10 packs. So these are the tubes. You can just open this up. So the tray, paintbrush and everything is of nice quality, as you can see it here. I'm just doing a little bit test so that you can see. So the brush qualities are also good, as you can see it from here. Nice handling thing and nice durable quality. The canvas itself is also nice, as you can see it's pure white thing, and doing the stroke and the things are also here, like it's very smooth, and the canvas is getting it. So the colors are like sap green, cobalt blue, mauve, scarlet, burnt sienna, flesh tint, yellow orange, lemon yellow, titanium white, and lamp black. So overall this is a nice set with everything here. You can also just paint keeping in this, there is no issue while keeping it. And also you can just put in the brush, do your stuff, and high quality painting thing. So nice thing, or the kit to start painting, learning painting, or doing a professional painting, up to you. But these are the all nice things that you can get as a pack of two kit. And yeah, enjoy the painting. So this is the easel from the sides and things. So it's good like wood one, lightweight but sturdy, and easily hold everything.